Well, the group Kontiki, they just released their second album, and you can go find that at Walmart and Target and the back of Voca's car. So we'd like to thank our friends from Kontiki. Also, we have a new guitar player. His name is Richard. What's your last name? Sorry. What's your last name? Oh, he's a Samoan cat. He used to play with Sons of Vanessa. So we'd like to thank him for also being over here. And I think we're ready to start the second half. Are you guys ready? Okay. I gotta figure this one out. Because there's gonna be dancers in the aisles and on the stage. And the front row is gonna get lap dances. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, okay. Someone open the curtains, ladies and gentlemen! The Nonosina dancers! Nonosina dancers! Hey, open the curtain! They don't know how to do anything. Okay, I'll open. mic up just a little bit more. Thank you very much, ladies.